Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and tonight I'm going to show you how to earn interest on your crypto and on your Gemini account. I got a few questions on this, so I'm going to show you how to do that tonight. It is very simple. Now, however, not all cryptos listed on Gemini do offer interest. Okay, and I think it's a good idea to, if you're gonna buy crypto and hold it, you must well earn interest on it. And I'll show you a couple of examples here before I'll just show you what I mean. It's good to earn interest on your. So this is what I earned so far year to date. It's only been a few months. This is my earn balance. Okay, these are all earning. For example, if I go to portfolio, I'll show you that way. I just want to show you that way you don't get confused. These are my trading balances. In other words, these cryptos, they're not earning right now because I can't. These don't offer interest to earn. This one does, and this is the one we're gonna. This is the one we're gonna earn. We're gonna set it up to earn interest. Okay. Now all these cryptos here are earning interest. Okay, so they're going to be on the earned balances. So they're not going to be up here. They're not going to be on the trading balances. They're going to be on the earned balances. These are the ones that I already earning interest on. Okay, you see, like, let me just click on that. Let me click on it again. Okay, Bitcoin, as you can see, this is how much Bitcoin I have. And this is a 30-day interest in Bitcoin. Roughly what you're earning. This is AMP token. This is how much AMP tokens I'm earning every 30 days or so. So as you can see, you can earn quite a bit of crypto. You know, this one again, 26,000 AMP. I'm earning about 37 AMP tokens a month. Again, it's been here for months. If you're gonna hold crypto, you might as well put it to earn interest. Okay, so as you can see, this is what I'm earning every month on these cryptos. Okay, so we're gonna go back to earn. Okay, let me just sort it by annual yield. Now, as you can see, like for example, Gemini dollar, stable coin for Gemini, you're earning 8%. That's much better than any bank account you're gonna money you're going to leave in a bank account. So, you know, even if you have a Gemini, make them all earn. Okay? So in our case, we're looking for Litecoin. So Litecoin, you can earn 2.77%. Okay? That is the interest rate on Litecoin. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take our Litecoin and we're going to earn interest on it. So we're going to click on earn. Okay, this is the balance that we have on Litecoin. Okay, again, I'm going to show you again. Let's start from portfolio when you first log in. So we want to do Litecoin. So you can do either action and just click on here, earn, or you can just go to earn and do it there. And I'm going to show you this way. So this is your portfolio. This is what you have. This is what you own. These are already earning. So we're going to go to Litecoin. We're going to click on action. We're going to click on earn. Okay. And it's going to pop up this window. I want to earn my Litecoin. This is the APY, 2.77%. We're going to transfer our trading balance to earn. Okay. So I'm going to max balance. I want all my Litecoin to earn interest. Okay. So this is your projected 1 year interest. We're gonna you got the amount right there. All my Litecoin is going to go there. We're gonna click on continue. We're gonna confirm. Okay, they're not gonna charge you anything. And there it is. Okay, you will begin earning interest on this Litecoin after 1 business day. So it's gonna take 1 business day. And depending on the crypto, sometimes it may take up to 2 business days to start earning interest on that crypto. Okay, so we're going to click on done. And we're going to go back on portfolio. And you see it's no longer in the trading balances. Now it's down on the earned balances. And there it is, okay? It's pending. So it's telling you right there, by Saturday 4 p.m., you will start earning interest on Litecoin. So that's how you do it, okay? Very simple. You have your crypto. You're going to go to actions. In this case, like if your crypto is here, you're going to go to actions and you're going to earn. Now these they're not offering interest on these right now. So if I click on earn, it's not going to do anything. But whatever crypto you have that is that can earn interest, okay, like these, you're gonna do that. Okay, these are all the cryptos that are listed in Gemini, that can earn interest. Okay, so it's most of them, not all of them, but most of it. So that's how you do it. Okay, so there you go. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please do. And please share this video with anyone, especially people that are new to crypto. I'm making these videos for newbies. Again, I was a newbie a few months ago, so I just want to share these videos. Somebody, I believe someone asked me, I think 2 people asked me a question about earning interest on Gemini. So there you go. This is the videos for you, and I hope you like it. Any questions or comments, please hit me on the comment section. And thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.